Hey, hello, what's up guys? I'm back here with another video after a long time. So guys, today we'll see how to download Adobe Photoshop CC 2020 for free and install it. Guys, you need the latest Windows 10 for it, and guys, the latest Adobe Photoshop. So guys, go to Google Chrome as usual, and I've given the link in the description. Go copy paste the link, and guys, you'll end up in this website. Go ahead and hit the download, and guys, wait for the file to be downloaded. So I'm pausing it. I already have the file here. So guys, this will be the file. Go ahead and unzip the file. So guys, let's wait for the file to be unzipped. So guys, as you all can see, the file is unzipped. So open the folder, and guys, there are three folders in one: setup file, one application file. Go ahead and run the setup. And the Photoshop 2020 installer will open. There is a prompt message. So guys, here is the installation window. Go ahead and click continue, and your download will start. So guys, wait for the download to be over, and we'll get back into it. So guys, as you all can see, the download is complete over here. It shows a message called install complete. So guys, close the message, and here is your Photoshop. Go ahead and open your Photoshop. So guys, this specific file doesn't need any crack or nothing like that. It is already activated, and I guess it works. So guys, let's wait till the Photoshop opens. So guys, as you all can see, the Photoshop is open and it works perfectly, so there's no issues. So guys, thank you. I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye.
Go.